Welcome, and thank you for watching our tutorial on working with the online editing tool on a mobile device. To begin editing, scroll down and click on Get Started. From here, you'll see a 3D model of the box, and you'll be able to open the lid, close the lid, as well as unfold the box to make it flat. To begin editing, click on the green plus in the bottom right hand of the screen. It'll bring up the background selector first, where you can select the background color of your box. On the left side, you can enter text to add text to a certain side of the box. Type it in this field here, then select the side of the box you'd like it on, and then select your placement on that side. You can go back to the 3D model to see where it is. I've placed this on the bottom of the base. In that same tab, you can upload a logo. Click on Upload Logo, and then select where you'd like the logo to come from. I'll pull it out of my photo library, and then I'll select the side I'd like it on, and then where on that side. So we can see here now that it is on the center of the top of the box. Another editing option is the patterns. You can click on the pattern tabs here, and then select the pattern you'd like. This will apply it to the box. If you created your design offline, click on the button on the right to upload that. You can then edit the inside by clicking inside in the top right for our display mailers, and then continue to check out. Thanks so much for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions.